What's going on, everybody? Aaron Latman here, owner of Attention to Detail in Highland, Indiana, and we have this 2024 Lexus RX350H that we are getting final checked and ready to go for the client to pick up. I wanted to do a full video on this Lexus and show you guys what we did. It's a pretty sweet vehicle, and we got the works going. The first part of the process was getting the undercarriage undercoated. So we did our wax oil undercarriage on the entire undercarriage. The undercoating is a 7 to 10 year life expectancy, and we offer a 3-year shop warranty. Wax oil is awesome because it actually takes the wax from wool wax and the oil from fluid film and puts the two together to create wax oil. It's a Swiss-based product. They've been around for over 50 years, mainly on the East Coast of the US, but we actually adopted the product here in Northwest Indiana in Highland, and it's a fantastic product. The product itself, what the oil does is it actually penetrates the steel frame, and the oil penetrates the steel and blocks any oxygen from actually hitting the steel and the frame itself. And then the wax holds that up so you get that longevity. Now, on the front end, we did a full wash and decontamination on the entire vehicle. And we PPF'd the entire front end, the entire full hood, full two fenders, full front bumper, the fender flares, the headlights. Every single one of these pieces got done in PPF. This is a very, very tedious front end. Also, the mirrors and the partial A-pillars to about here, protecting that entire front end for 10 years from rock chips, dings, scratches, and scrapes. It's pretty sweet. Front end in PPF, we use KDX PPF. It is a self-healing and hydrophobic top coat paint protection film. It's got anti-yellowing capabilities as well, which is pretty fantastic. Now, on the back half of the vehicle, we did our 15-year bona fide warranted Icon Rock Clear. It is a sweet coating, 15-year warranty. It's hand-applied, self-leveling, never, ever removed. So unlike a traditional ceramic coating where you apply it on by hand in a crosshatch motion, left, right, up, and down, it's actually never removed. So it's applied on once, and that is the application. It's a pretty awesome product. It's got up to 25 times the thickness than any ceramic coating, up to 75 times the strength, and up to 30% more gloss than any ceramic coating you can possibly put on the vehicle. And we ceramic coated all the paint, all the trim pieces, any headlights, taillights, front grille, black plastics, mirrors, chrome, emblems, and all of the rims. We put on a tire coating. Tire coating lasts about 2-3 weeks, and we'll reapply it at any time. So this vehicle on the back is protected for 15 years. The front's warranted at 10, and the undercoating is a 7 to 10 year life expectancy. Vehicle got wax oil, KDX Lumi paint protection film, and the back half an Icon Rock Clear. This is the real deal. If you have any questions, you can absolutely give us a call. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the process as well. My name's Aaron Latman. You can give me a call at 219-533-8783 or visit us on our website, www.attn2detail.info, or you can also send us an email at service, service, at attn2detail.info. Thanks again for watching, and if you need us, call us, 219-533-8783. Aaron with Attention to Detail, out.